This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you on how to use Aso Oke to make fascinator. All the material we need for those works are your Aso Oke material. You need your wax candle. You need your wire. You need your needle and thread, feathers, and all the accessory you are going to use to make the fascinator. The first thing we are going to do is to cut our Aso Oke. The size of this Aso Oke is 13 inches, that is 13 in length. Therefore, I cut it into pieces. Look at it. What I'm going to do is to join the two pieces. This is the first pieces, and this is the second one. You join the two pieces together, or you tack it. You sew it with your machine or with your hand. You sew it together like this. Then you put your wire inside the Aso Oke. After you have gummed the two edge or sew the two edge of the Aso Oke together, you put your wire in the middle of it. Then you fold it like this. You take your ugum and put it around the wire and the Aso Oke. The size of my wire is 30. Then you gum it round over from the Aso Oke. After you have gummed it round, after gumming it round, it will give you something like this. The first step, join the Aso Oke. The second one, place your wire that is 30 in length in the middle of it. The third one, gum it with your gum, then cut it round. Then it will give you something like this. Look at the back. Then this is the front. And look at my joining. After this, we are going to design it. What I'm going to use to design it is the same Aso Oke. And the size of my Aso Oke is still 13 inches. I'm going to make a fan design. You take your ugum or your wax candle, you put it at the edge of the cloth. You gum this side. You gum it like this. You gum it. Then turn it round. Gum the second side like this. You fold it in, out, in, out. To give you a fine design like this. This is what you get. Then take your needle and thread. The tail together with your. You can see this is our base. We have make our fan design. This is the fan design. We are going to make the last design to cover the center. You take your ugum, put your ugum at the edge. Gum it very well. You take your needle and thread again, in size, go like this. Then at the middle of it, you do your hemming from here to the end. And draw it. To give you this style, you can see it. Then take the two edge here, join it together to form a style. Your base, take your base, then you can arrange your design. Very simple design. You can see it. Tack it. You can tack the design round. After joining the design together, you can use your wax candle gum to gum it with your base. Take your wax and gum to hold it down. This, then get a stone or arrange it at the middle here. After the design, take your Alice band, the back, this band, put it at the middle here. You can use big one, you can use small one to hold it. And cut small of the Aso Oke to hold the Alice band down. You can see it, hold it down like that. See the design. Please like, share and subscribe.